So, working on my dad's 2018 F-150 Lariat. Don't believe the cabin air filter has ever been changed. And just wanted to show him what was all involved in... What the hell is that? A stink bug? A dead stink bug? Come on. Oh, it's starting to rain. So, anyways, this is why it's important to get your filters changed and everything. Look at, pretty disgusting. Never been changed. Glad I fucking bought it, cause I'm telling them to for a while now. So, yeah, you gotta take out more than just the glove box. You gotta take this trim piece out first. Then there's two 7mm bolts here, or screws here and there, that hold this on. These little tabs everywhere. You gotta be careful for, because they kind of grab real hard. So yeah, get a non-marring pry tool and 7mm. That's all you need. Oh, and you gotta disconnect this thing really carefully. This is your soft stop on your glove box. Do not break that. You can break those very easily.